It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. And I'll be honest, I thought after Friday that this thing, the bears were getting ready to make a big push to the downside. Reason for that, as I discussed, was the price formed this red candle below that key level of support. Like I said, just being honest, I figured, all right, well, this is the beginning. This thing is really going to start to bleed its way down to this $1.25 level down there. However, like I said, totally wrong. The price gapped up here a little bit this morning, made a move. Sure, it pulled back here a little bit, but from where it closed relative to, where it had closed on Friday, very nice day for the bulls. Now, to nitpick, the one thing that I would kind of, and I think I've talked about this in the past, volume is really getting pretty weak here. And I'm not saying volume's got to get gigantic, but it's dropping off quite a bit. And if there's going to be any sort of worthwhile move that's going to happen, then volume is going to need to pick up again. Does it have to get up over 100 million shares? I'm not saying that at all. But relative to how volume was compared to how it is right now, still definitely one of those weaker links. But at the end of the day, price action is king. And, the price, like I said, did do a great job of, moving back upwards. So, if today's move is the start of something bigger for the week, then the very simplistic way to look at that is just let's start to see the price make progress. And I'm defining quote unquote progress as staying up above $1.35. Not to insult your intelligence, but if the price were to drop below $1.35 and, come down around this area of the chart, well, at that point in time, that's no longer making progress because the price is now back inside of that range of the chart. And again, going back is the exact contradiction of progress, right? So to me, $1.35, very important level of support. As it stands right now, though, closed all the way up there to $1.40, so there's quite a bit of cushion before $1.35 would even get tested. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here, especially if you've been watching the past videos. I've talked about $1.45 quite a bit, and that's still the next key overall area of resistance, definitely the top portion of this channel, which, as you can see, has rejected the price quite a few times. So good start to the week. Got this one totally wrong. Bulls showed me today, so we'll see if the price can continue to build and get some more momentum the remainder of the week. Still 4 days left. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.